A lot of the clients that we've seen have all loved the Lite Run. It's incredibly easy to use. Clients just love to be standing and they feel a lot happier when they're up in it.
Hi, I'm John Houck, CEO of Lite Run. A few years ago, some colleagues and I designed an unweighting running machine based on technology originally developed at NASA. But physical therapists convinced us that this technology had a higher calling. So, with PT input every step of the way, we designed the Lite Run Exosuits and Gait Trainer. It's sophisticated engineering on the inside, but amazingly easy to use. Thank you for having a look.
I love to provide tools for my therapists to be able to do their job with more ease, to be more successful at their job, to bring outcomes to patients through the use of tools and advanced technologies. Really looking at the cost to the use ratio when I really go to deciding whether it's worth the investment. I've had some equipment that we've invested in and it just sits. With the Lite Run, I'm really excited. My therapists are using it almost every hour.
Before, we'd use a lot of different walkers. We'd use hand-in-hand walking. We'd use one staff or two staff assistants.
It doesn't hurt you as bad in the shoulders. I mean, it's really so much more comfortable and it allows me to walk further. So I am really impressed with it.
Less time with the setup and more time with the gait training or standing tolerance so the patients get more out of their appointments.
The biggest thing is that we're able to take it over ground and in a quick, effective manner. A lot of the other systems that we use require harnessing, which takes so much time out of a session that I think people avoid it for that reason alone. And so knowing how fast it can be, I mean, even with one person, I'm in and out of those pants in less than 2 minutes typically. I see a lot of patients who need a lot of help to get back walking. Oftentimes that means 2, 3, 4 people to get them up out of their chair and moving again. And what we've noticed with the Lite Run is that I'm able to achieve results, but with a lot less hands. So many different variety of patients that benefit.
We've used it for a lot of TBIs, people who have had past strokes or spinal cord injuries.
MS, Parkinson's, so many different various injuries that we're able to use this with, or even chronic conditions. Patients who haven't been able to walk in a really long time can walk with this device.
The unweighing allows them to put a little bit less pressure into their legs while also being able to stand up. It makes it a lot easier for them to come back and use it more and more.
They're going longer distances when it feels like with less help, and so they feel more independent in their walking as well.
And I really, really like to see the progress that we've been able to track so far with a lot of our clients.
All the numbers, all the data, it's right there for us. We don't have to also have somebody watching the time and then to go measure the distance. It's all right in there tracked from session to session, which is really nice for our documentation as well. Seeing our clients really carry over that strength and those functional gains, walking is huge.
I feel like I'm walking on the moon like the astronauts do.